Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn atomic number and mass number in detail. Okay, children. Atomic number and mass number we are going to learn today. Each element in the modern periodic table is represented by two important numbers. They are atomic number and mass number. For each element, individual atomic number and individual mass number are there. We know that the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers in the modern periodic table. So children, in today's class, we are going to learn in detail about atomic number and mass number for various elements. What do you mean by atomic number? Atomic number is equal to the number of protons or the number of electrons present in an atom. We had already learnt that an atom is electrically neutral. Electrically neutral means the number of positively charged particles in an atom is equal to the number of negatively charged particles in an atom. It means the number of protons in an atom is always equal to the number of electrons in an atom, and so an atom is an electrically neutral entity. So atomic number of an atom is equal to the number of protons, which is equal to the number of electrons in an atom. The symbol that is used for denoting the atomic number of an atom is capital Z. Now we are going to learn mass number, which is denoted by the symbol capital A. Mass number is equal to the mass of the atom. The mass of the atom is constituted by the number of protons and the number of neutrons present in that atom. So children, mass number corresponds to the mass of protons and the mass of neutrons present in that atom. Because the mass of electrons is negligible, so they are not taken into account. We consider only the masses of protons and neutrons present in an atom. So we can say like this: mass of an atom is equal to the mass of the nucleons present in an atom. So mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So mass number is equal to number of protons and number of neutrons present in that atom, and it is denoted by the symbol capital A. Here is the representation of an element with atomic number and mass number. The symbol of the element is written at the center. The subscript of that element denotes the atomic number of that element, and the superscript A, it denotes the mass number or the atomic mass of that element. Okay children? So here capital X stands for the symbol of the element. Capital Z corresponds to atomic number of that element. Capital A corresponds to mass number or atomic mass of that element. So this is the representation of an element with atomic number and mass number. The subscript of the element always denotes the atomic number, whereas the superscript of an element always denotes its mass number. Now let us learn atomic number and mass number representations for some of the important elements. Nitrogen 14 isotope. Atomic number is 7. 14 is mass number and capital N corresponds to the element nitrogen. So the element nitrogen is denoted like this, children. Capital N, superscript 14 and the subscript 7. So 7 is the atomic number and 14 is mass number. Here is the symbolic representation of the element carbon, carbon 12 isotope. See here, the element's symbol is capital C. Carbon has got the symbol capital C. 6 is the subscript of carbon and it is the atomic number. 12 is the superscript of carbon here and that is the mass number of this element. So 6 is atomic number of carbon and 12 is its mass number. Okay children, so this is the symbolic representation of the element carbon. Symbolic representation of the element oxygen. What is the symbol for the element oxygen? Capital O. Its atomic number is 8 and its mass number is 16. Atomic number is written as its subscript whereas the mass number is written as its superscript. Here is the symbolic representation of the element silicon. Silicon has got the atomic number 14, and its mass number is 28. 28.09 is its relative atomic mass. This is symbolic representation of the element beryllium. See, the first element in the modern periodic table is hydrogen, followed by helium, then lithium, then comes beryllium. So the atomic number is beryllium 4. For the atomic number for the element beryllium is 4 and its mass number is 9.012. Here, how to calculate the number of neutrons present in an atom? The number of neutrons present in an atom is given by the formula mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number. Atomic number of the element magnesium is 12 and its mass number and its relative mass number is 24. 24.305 is rounded off as 24. So instead of mass number substitute 24 and instead of atomic number substitute 12. So when we subtract atomic number from mass number, we get the number of neutrons present in an atom. How to calculate the number of neutrons present in the element aluminium? Aluminium has got the atomic number 13 and its mass number to be 27. Okay. See, sometimes the atomic number and mass number, they are written like this. See, they are not exactly written as a subscript and superscript. Sometimes they are written like this also. So here the number of neutrons for aluminium is equal to its mass number minus its atomic number. Mass number is 27, atomic number is 13. So when we subtract 13 from 27, we get 14. 14 is the number of neutrons present in aluminium. Problem to calculate the atomic number of an element when mass number and the number of neutrons in an element are known. Let me read out the problem. Calculate the atomic number of an element whose mass number is 39 and number of neutrons is 20. Also find the name of the element. Okay children, so mass number is given as 39 and the number of neutrons is given as 20. What is mass number? Mass number corresponds to the number of protons and the number of neutrons. The number of protons is nothing but the atomic number of that element. So mass number is known. The number of neutrons are also known. So from these two known quantities we can find out the unknown quantity atomic number. Therefore children, atomic number is equal to mass number minus the number of neutrons. Mass number is given as 39 and the number of neutrons is given as 20. So when we subtract 20 from 39 we get 19. So 19 is the atomic number of that element. So the name of the element that corresponds to the atomic number 19 is potassium, having the symbol capital K, potassium. Okay children, so practice this problem. I hope you might have understood today's class children. Thank you children.